Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin ito reaction video, ang The Finest Singers ng ASAP. So without further ado, let's all watch this.
Growing. Thank you for your
Go.
embrace. Thank you for year after year being there.
Oh, happy
for
birthday ni
us.
Sir
Of all the
Martin.
many things I've done in my life, if there's one thing that I'm most grateful for that I did right, is I am Kapamilya.
Oh, wow. What a statement. What a statement. Di mo kaya.
With that, ASAP will always be what you see every single Sunday all over the world. ASAP is ASAP
ASAP is
of
ASAP.
you. We are
Ba't
so
parang
grateful
magre-resign na siya? Tama ba?
for every one of you. I give you the very best of ASAP.
The very best of ASAP. Tingin.
Happy birthday, Kuya Martin! Happy 30 years, Asa!
Yung mga singers ng ASAP. Ay, si Aiza pala. Ito ba yun? Parang hindi naman ito. Sino Jonah? Ay, ito nga. Ito nga sila. Ito nga yung dear. Mas mahal ka, di ba? Ito Nadal? Ay. Salamat! ASAP Sessionistas pala ito. ASAP Sessionistas for today's video. Ay, hello. Ay, ganda ng kanta. Santos everyone. Yan, Constantine. Wow. That. Galing talaga ni Jonah bumali-bali ng kanta. Dami. Talaga ba? Sure ba? Bakit? Ang bongga naman. Akala ko si Mori. Okay.
Hindi ko alam kung kakayanin kung hindi kita kasama. Paglipad ikaw ang hangin nagdala
Timo.
sa akin.
New Gen champion. Tama ba? New Gen? New Gen, di ba? New Gen. Ganda ni Mariel. What's the title of this song? Palagi ko itong naririnig. Laika. Of course, Laika never disappoints. Carmel? Andito na din si Carmel. Andito na din pala si Carmel. JM.
Dahil sa'yo, pinakita mo sa'kin makakaya kong gawin at huwag matakot tabutin at liparin ito.
Grabe din dynamics ng buhay ni Jamie Allen. Ganda ni Mariel. Narinig yung boses si Carmel doon. Grabe yung boses si Carmel doon, ha? Gaya na si Carmel. Malaban. Ganda, ganda, ganda. Ganda. Galing, 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 galing. Ay, meron pa.
Kung ito man ang huling awitin aawitin, nais kong malaman mo, ika'y bahagi na ng buhay ko.
Kung may huling sasabihin, nais kong sambitin, nilagyan mo ng kulay ang mundo.
Kasama kita lumuha. Dahil sa'yo ako'y may pag-asa. Ang awiting ito'y
Powerful talaga yung boses ni Ricky. She ate and left no crumbs. Wow. Tumawa na lang yung mga kasama nila sa likod. Oh, grabe yun. Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video, which is the finest singers in ASAP natin to. My God, the combination of all generations, should I say. The all generations of singers, should I say. In ASAP. Bongga. From the pioneer one, from the sessionistas one, mga batang, paano ba? Up to the Gen Z, new Gen, diba? So that's our for today's video. This is KJ Vlogs, and see you on my next vlog. Bye!